Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off Google Autofill on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. And now you want to scroll down on this page until you get to the Security and Privacy tile. And then scroll down again versus other settings at the bottom, more security and privacy. Select that tile. And then go down again till you get to autofill service from Google. Select that. And then if you want to enable or disable the autofill service, you can toggle this oval on or off just by clicking inside of it. If it's blue, it means it's on. If it's grayed out, it means it's off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.